Welcome back everyone to my channel. I am Cesar of Bricks and Diecasts, and today I will be showcasing the brand new rebuild of Hypershock. Now, if you have watched my first BattleBots season, LEGO BattleBots Season 1, you may have known that Hypershock here is the reigning and defending LEGO BattleBots champion. Now, I scrapped him for parts, and if you have actually watched some of my other videos as well as looked at my Reddit posts, I built Hypershock a lot different. It was still short, and also I tried to give it some forks, wedges, and whatnot, but in my opinion, it just never looked good. So I ultimately decided, you know what, I'm gonna bring him back, but this time a lot better, basing off its most recent version, and this is how I got him. So obviously, it looks much cooler. It's definitely longer. Now the ears, I could have built the angled ears, but it took too much effort, and besides the ears didn't look right, considering the ears are thin and actually look bent up like that. So yeah, I didn't manage to build the ears at all. There's the fan in the background. The spinner works very well. It's actually the single disc one. There's the wedge, it's ground scraping, it's able to get in underneath robots very easily. Here's another new robot, Pegasus. For example, it's able to scoop it underneath him very easily. What just came off? I think one of the ears came off. That's okay. The ears get damaged easily because it always held on one stud there. But yeah, it's very cool. I'm actually planning on giving it the rake attachment because some people in my Reddit posts comment that, hey, you should make a rake attachment for it, because it's such a legendary Hypershock moment. Here's how the wedge is attached, by the way. I just used those two stock bricks in order to attach the wedge. I can also attach the forks. I don't have the forks set up yet. I'm planning on making it soon. It's able to drive inverted. This is what the underside of Hypershock looks like. Just very built the way it is. Here's the back. Here's the right side of Hypershock. Spinner works very well. So yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed this showcasing of Hypershock. It's very cool to make another video. Also, yes, the Hypnodisc tutorial is coming up soon. I know I had a commenter say that and request that can you make a Hypnodisc tutorial on it. So yeah, I'll make that soon. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you all next time.